Chapter 13, Software. Computer software falls into two major categories. Operating system software controls the computer hardware and provides the interface between the system and the user. Applications must be developed to work within the operating system framework. The second category of software covers applications including desktop applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, enterprise software like SAP and Oracle, utilities, and other programs that perform specific tasks for users and organizations. The software provides the capability that is used by individuals and businesses to get things done. Software can be separated into two major categories, desktop and enterprise. Desktop software is installed on your local PC and is typically used by one individual to perform a specific task. Think Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. On the other hand, enterprise software is installed on most computers in the company and is used broadly by a number of employees to support the business. Some enterprise applications include enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, supply chain management, business intelligence, and database management systems. Let's consider the software on your personal devices. This is where it all begins. Here is where we use applications like PowerPoint, Word, and Excel to perform a variety of business tasks. To leverage the full capabilities, however, we must make use of the hardware and software available out on the network. Most companies will have their own internal network to share resources. We might want to share common data, servers, storage, printers, etc. A variety of devices used by employees are linked by this communications network. This network provides connections to web servers that host various websites, application servers that host different shared applications like SAP, and database servers that host the data shared across the enterprise. One common management decision is whether to create your own unique software applications or buy off-the-shelf software. Custom software has the advantage of matching your specific business needs. Purchase software has the advantage of lower cost and leveraging the efforts of others. Regardless of your choice, these business systems require support. User training and support are key, especially during startup. Internal and purchase systems must continue to evolve as business needs change. Along the way, the results of the system must be monitored and verified to ensure accuracy. Business continuity plans must be in place to ensure that key functions continue in the case of data corruption or system downtime. Finally, the security of the data and system availability must be controlled carefully to ensure integrity and availability of key business data. Traditional software was considered to be part of a hardware product. It was created and distributed with the hardware when sold to consumers. Updates and upgrades were available through digital media and downloads. When you purchased your next computer, it arrived with a new set of operating and application software, and the cycle continued. The new view of software includes software as a service and virtualization. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a form of cloud computing where specific applications are made available out on the cloud for a fee. Virtualization uses software that emulates physical hardware. This method allows one computer to operate as many and is the basis of most cloud computing efforts. This way, users receive the capabilities they need by setting parameters in software rather than procuring and configuring hardware devices. Next, we have seen the growth of cloud computing. Cloud computing is replacing local computing resources, hardware and software, with services available over the Internet. At the same time, open source software may be downloaded for free with available source code enabling you to create custom versions of the code for your use and redistribution. Open source software is available in a number of different forms. A number of open source operating systems are available. The most popular is Linux. Since it is open source, a number of different versions called distributions have been created, each customized to focus on a certain capability. These new operating systems are in turn available as open source. This is a short list of many of the more popular Linux distributions. Open source applications are also available. Application suites that provide applications used by most users are available. These include OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and FreeOffice. Each provides word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation applications common in the Office environment. Why do businesses choose open source software? Reasons include low acquisition cost, low operating cost, reliability, and an aversion to Microsoft. Companies with the necessary skills can take the open source software and customize it for their use, since they have access to the underlying code. This can help speed products to market. Risks include potential security gaps, since unknown functionality may be embedded in the code. There may also be legal issues, as liability may increase along with potential licensing risks. Companies have lost millions in legal fees after incorporating open source code that was listed as for non-commercial use only into their products. This is such a concern that software is used to identify and remove open source code from product software. Other examples of open source software include the browser applications Firefox and Google Chrome, which is almost open source. Both compete with Microsoft's Internet Explorer. You can see the relative market share of each here. The relational database management system MySQL competes with Oracle's database management system. The LAMP stack has been created as a collection of open source applications as a turnkey solution to provide full capability for business operations. LAMP includes an operating system, web server, database management systems, and programming languages. This concludes our discussion on software. Next, we will discuss the future of software and the impact on business.